Imagine walking into a windowless room and instinctively looking up because it feels like there's a real patch of sky above you. That's the experience Philips is trying to create with its newly announced Skylight system, a ceiling-mounted light designed to mimic natural daylight indoors. According to Philips' parent company Signify, the technology recreates not just brightness, but also the depth, color, and daily rhythm of sunlight. The goal goes far beyond simply making a room brighter. Using Philips' NatureConnect technology, the Skylight is engineered to help people feel more connected to natural daylight, especially in homes, offices, or spaces where access to windows is limited. Throughout the day, the system automatically adjusts its brightness and color temperature, shifting from cooler daylight tones during working hours to warmer light in the evening.
What makes this launch particularly interesting is a premium version called Skylight VitaUp. Unlike traditional lighting products, it includes a built-in UVB module that is designed to support the body's natural vitamin D production while indoors. Philips says safety measures are built into the system, including an automatic shutoff after 8 hours to reduce the risk of overexposure. The concept arrives at a time when people are spending more of their lives indoors. Signify's research suggests many consumers feel they don't get enough exposure to natural daylight, despite reporting higher energy levels when they do. The Skylight is Philips' latest attempt to bridge that gap, without requiring expensive renovations or the installation of a physical skylight. There is, however, one surprising limitation. Despite carrying the Philips name, the Skylight is not part of the Philips Hue ecosystem. There's no Wi-Fi, Matter, Zigbee, or app-based control. Instead, users will rely on a dedicated remote control for operation. Even so, the idea of bringing an artificial sky indoors, one that can even contribute to vitamin D production, makes this one of the more unusual and potentially transformative lighting products we've seen this year. The question is simple. If a ceiling light can convincingly recreate daylight, could the future of home wellness start above our heads?